decorating these wine bags for Christmas gifts. All right. So what we've done is we've removed the strings from this one, so there's no strings in it. We've inserted the cardboard into the center so that we've got a good flat surface to press against. And using our CMYK printer, just a regular CMYK printer, we've printed two designs. This one, which is going to go down first, we're going to use hot stamping foils and white hot stamping foils for these. And then this just regular CMYK color picture, we're going to put down onto that white hot stamping foil to add the final image. So just a regular color laser printer, nothing special needed for this. All right, so let's get started. So this is pretty much all the way down in there. We've got 365 degrees as our pressing temperature. And we want to put our bag in like such. And we will make sure that our artwork is centered on here as good as we can. All right, and we're using our pressing pad, silicone pressing pad. So we make sure this is, again, centered, pulled up all that we can. And our pressing pad is on here. Heavy pressure, 2 minutes. All right. Remember, the pad will be hot when you pick it up, so take care of that. And then we want to let this cool down completely. So we'll take this and let it cool down. Okay, so after this cools, now we're ready to peel it away. And beautiful. All right, so there's our print design. And we are ready to finish decorating this. Okay. So we put it back in, and we cut a piece of white. Which will cover the Christmas Express at the top. And we'll take a piece of white which will cover the, so I need to trim this white, I think. Just trim just a little bit more off of the white. Go. And then we're going to use gold everywhere else. So we cover everything else with the gold. Cover this. There we go. So we're going to cover this with hot stamping. With parchment paper. So we're going to cover this with parchment paper because we're only going to be pressing this for a few seconds. So 10, 15 seconds, if that. All right. So now we want to let this cool completely. So cool off completely. Okay, so once this has cooled off, then we want to start peeling it away. All right. Sent to mail. And there's our mask. All right. So there's our gold label, our white stamp, and our mask. All right, so now we want to put this back in. We want to take our picture and position it exactly so we want to take our picture got it. And carefully put our parchment down. And then again, very carefully, our pressing pad down. And then the second press. Right. And again, remember your pad is hot. And we want to let this cool down completely. Okay, so after letting it cool off, then we peel it away. And there we go. I could have lined it up just a little better. There's your decorated bag with the white backing.